फ्राइडे को हम बात कर रहे थे ऋतिक रोशन से एंड यू विल एग्री विद मी दैट यू कैन नेवर हैव इनफ ऑफ ऋतिक रोशन एंड सो हियर ही इज वंस अगेन. ऋतिक, वेलकम टू द शो वंस अगेन.
प्लेजर.
हम उस दिन बात कर रहे थे कि धूम 2 में आप दोबारा नेगेटिव रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. यू प्लेड अ नेगेटिव रोल इन
Fiza mission. They weren't really negative actually. He was the protagonist, but
exactly. But he gets into terrorism.
Fueled by the wrong thoughts. And, yeah. But Dhoom is very unlike that actually. I think there are some films which are based on reality. They propagate maybe some values or have a social relevant message, and then you have some films which are a nice departure from all that, and they don't have the higher perspective. You're just there to enjoy the ride. It's what I call a popcorn film.
Okay.
You just munch your popcorn, you enjoy the ride, and before you can think about it, you're out of there. You have your laughs, you have your thrills. So that's what Dhoom is about.
ऐसा कहा जाता है कि आदित्य चोपड़ा की फिल्म में काम करना is a different experience altogether. It's an out of the world experience. क्या आपने भी ये महसूस किया धूम 2 में काम करते वक्त?
Well, धूम 2 में काम करते वक्त आदित्य चोपड़ा के साथ काम करने का मौका तो नहीं मिला. As in, he's never on the sets. He allows his directors complete freedom.
So Sanjay Gadhvi was given a completely free.
Completely, absolutely. It's Sanjay's film. But I can imagine what you're saying because I know Aditya Chopra, Adi, personally.
Correct.
It will definitely be one of the most outlandish experiences of one's life to work with Adi.
Okay.
Because he is really scary. Yeah. Yeah.
Why does he scare you?
Is
he so intimidating?
No, I think he's just very, very headstrong about things that he believes in.
Acha.
And I say that with a lot of appreciation. I think that's a great thing. But when he says that you can say certain things about Dhoom, like say for instance, you can say certain things about Dhoom, certain aspects about Dhoom, but you cannot talk about this, this, and this. Believe me, you will not want to talk about this, this, and this.
Acha.
You will just stick to what he has said.
But वो reasons देते हैं? Or you understand the reasons yourself?
The reason is that he has said it. That is enough.
Okay, that is the reason.
But it's always fun. Yeah, I've done 2 films with Yash Raj, and it's almost royalty. It's fantastic.
क्रिश के बाद धूम 2 आपकी अगली जो रिलीज होगी, धूम 2 से एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत बढ़ गए हैं. They are sky high. Would you have to fly to make those expectations come true?
I think it's a wonderful situation to be in when you're asked a question like this, that now the expectations are sky high. When the expectations are sky high, it means that your past work has formed a benchmark, or so now people expect, they don't know what you will do next and how will you overcome what you have done in the past. And that I always want to be in that situation in my life when I'm asked this question, that now what? You've done so much, now what?
जो trailers आए हैं, उनकी बड़ी तारीफ हो रही है.
Reactions are outstanding, and I'm very, very excited about the film because the trailer does not promise anything more than the film. So I'm very excited. I'm just waiting to see the film now.
Direction तो आपने सीखा. Someday you plan to become a director, or you're happy being the actor you are? The star you are.